Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to refresh TradingView charts. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in tradingview.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, we have all the sections like products, community, markets, news, brokers, and more. You can also find your accounts from here. You can see the profile settings, accounts and billing, and so on. And right here, you're going to find search markets here. If you click on this search bar, you can search for any market. You can also see this list that includes all of the markets. You can only see stocks if you want, or funds, futures, forex, crypto, indices, bonds, or economy. If you go to the right side of your screen, you're going to find your watch list. You can also switch to the red list. You can see you can import a list or you can create your own list. So I'm gonna go to Apple Charts, for example, and as you can see, guys, this is the page for Apple Charts. You can see the charts on the super charts, and right here, as you can see, guys, this is the graphic. You can get widgets. You can see by area or by candles. You can take a snapshot, and lastly, you can launch the full chart view. So I'm gonna click on launch full chart view like this. And as you can see, guys, this is how the full chart view looks like. Basically, guys, if you want to refresh your charts, all you need to do, guys, is go right here to the top in your navigator and click on the reload icon. Once you click on it, the page will be refreshed. You can also refresh the page by clicking on Ctrl+R on your keyboard, and then, as you can see, guys, the page is refreshed. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.